Let's do this. Right. What's up, everybody? No, that's right. 5:35. Alright, guys. Yeah, let's make this happen. First stop. Let's go get some gas at the gas station and pick where we want to eat for breakfast. Oh, this music's copyright. Bro, YouTube really gets me with the copyright, bro. Like, damn. Alright, we're gonna order. I'm so tired.
Hey, how can we get you started?
Hello, can I do the vanilla sweet cream cold brew? Alright. Woo-hoo-hoo. Guys, we got our coffee. We got our little sausage wrap, or what's it called? Sorry, it's called a burrito in some languages. But let's make a movie here. All right. Anyways, we're gonna head to the gas station right now, fill up the pressure washer with some gas, and then we're gonna be on our way. Maybe you could start again, but if she really cared for, all right. Pause it. Save it. I wonder if anybody ever pressure washes this place. Boom. Shakalaka. Alright. Let's get some gas. Alright. Put this here for now. At 5 a.m. and we're still 30 minutes out, bro. Are you serious right now? It's okay. I actually like long drives because that's just more time to listen to music and jam out. But I just gotta get this coffee up and running so that I could, freaking bang my head out and stuff,